For a holiday that blends style, comfort, and an unbeatable atmosphere, Liberty Kusadasi is a fantastic choice. Set in a prime location with stunning sea views, this resort offers the perfect balance of relaxation and excitement. The rooms are sleek, modern, and designed with comfort in mind, many offering breathtaking views of the Aegean. From the moment you wake up, you're surrounded by beauty. The pool area is a real highlight, spacious, vibrant, and the perfect place to unwind. Whether you're taking a refreshing dip or lounging with a cocktail, it's the heart of the resort. Food lovers won't be disappointed. The dining options range from delicious local dishes to international flavors, all prepared with fresh, high-quality ingredients. Evenings here are something special. From live entertainment to stylish bars, there's always something happening, making every night as enjoyable as the day. And if you're in the mood to explore, Liberty is perfectly placed for discovering the charm of Kusadasi, from its beaches to its bustling nightlife. For a getaway that offers luxury, fun, and relaxation all in one, Liberty Kusadasi is a place you'll want to return to.